Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Suci Pratiwi. My student number is 2018111048. I'm from B class. Today I wanna explain about language teaching curriculum in applied linguistics. What is a curriculum? Curriculum refers to the specific blue points or map to achieve outputs of desired students' performance. Curriculum specific what they learners should achieve within a time frame, not just list of content and activities. Curriculum is the overarching aim of the school district. Curriculum theory. Research draw upon established methodologies. Theories provide a way of strengthening the field of educational research. In the curricular field, there are three camps of one traditionalist, second conceptual empiricist, third reconceptualist. During the past 2 decades, the field of curriculum went from a practice-oriented field to a more theoretical, historical, research-oriented field. What the mean of the term curriculum approach? Take into consideration the student culture, the diversity of the school, focus on the relationship between school, society, and the future. Established goals must be the address to determine curriculum approach. Component of curriculum approach: the technical scientist models and it such as behavior system, managerial, intellectual, academics approach, formal method of schooling with a focus and content of outcomes, logical step by procedure of what you want students to know and evidence of that knowledge, non-technical, non-scientific approaches, question the assumption of technical approach, how humanistic, aesthetic, receptionalist. It stress personal, subjective, aesthetic nature of curriculum. Focus is not content of learning outcomes. View learning as holistic, focus on the learner and the student as a participant. A relationship between curriculum and instruction. Good teacher can translate information, make good judgment, experience, and with some into relevant knowledge that the student can understand, retain, and pass to others. The curriculum and the future. Stakeholders support the schools integrating technology. Policymakers don't fully recognize the impact technology have as a schools. Teaching the curriculum in ways that the effective for variety of students. Government voucher for private school and federal legislation has caused a budget crisis at public school district. The applied linguistics of curriculum studies may therefore be regarded as the language teaching specialism, which proposes as a matter of identifying, developing, and articulating particular perception of teaching and learning on the one hand, and seeking ways in which perception can be shared and sharpened through professional debate in the teaching community on the other. The definition is given in his account of the communicational teaching project which he directed in southern India in late 1970 and early 1980. It was Prabhu who stated an attempt to prove a teaching method through controlled experimentation. It should not be looked at as a field trial or pilot study leading to a large school implementation. It was, he writes, essentially an attempt to develop fresh perception of second language teaching and learning. What he maintained was that development of competence in the second language required not systematization of language input or maximization of plain practice, but rather of the creation of condition in which learner engage in the effort to cope with a communication. Prabhu distinguished sharply between his communicational competence and communicative competence, see below, which he regarded has the ability to achieve social or situational appreciation as distinct from grammatical conformity. The focus of his subject, therefore, was not on communicative competence, but on grammatical competence itself, which has hypothesized to develop in the course of meaning-focused activity. The philosophy behind the project is that learners are meaning seekers. Grammar competence is the best learned through purposeful communication. The analogies used then various times are: first, the child learning his or her mother tongue, where learning takes place through the search for meaning and not through formal instruction; and the second, the learner, first or the second language learner, engaged on a contact touch such a mathematical task. Prabhu who always denied that his work as experimental that in itself it was green-souled. He was not interested in revolutionizing English teaching in India. What he was interested was develop a fresh perception of second language learning. He argues that pedagogic innovation may be viewed as an act of renewing contact with innovation and reinterpreting experience through a fresh perception, not experimental, not available to the majority of classroom teachers. These are sorely serious criticism in spite of the declaimers can project that's so little claim to permanent effect legitimately be regarded as applied linguistics. If it is there are danger, the critics would consider the applied linguistics in narrative for relevant. My response is that the Kavit Prabhu has offered his work of interest to apply linguistics because that was it does is to elaborate or thinking about language learning. As such, it will certainly not revolutionize language teaching in India, but it may, as he fairly observes over some insight, help us think about abnormal practice. It likely that the role of applied linguistics in curriculum development is as much in offering new insight based, however, distantly on the oriental underpinning for other disciplines as a offering ways of changing practice and method. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. I think that's enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.